Are you feeling overwhelmed with studies, struggling to manage time, or just wondering how to make your student life more productive and enjoyable? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we'll uncover powerful tips to help you level up your student life. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, start your day with purpose. Instead of scrolling through social media the moment you wake up, try this. Set 3 simple goals for the day. They can be as basic as completing 1 chapter, organizing your notes, or exercising for 20 minutes. Remember, small steps create big impacts. Tip number 2, master your schedule. Use a planner or a digital app to map out your classes, study time, and breaks. Planning not only reduces stress, but also keeps you ahead of deadlines. Pro tip, assign the hardest task to your most productive hours. For most, that's in the morning. Tip number 3, don't be afraid to ask for help. Struggling with a subject? Reach out to your teachers, classmates, or even online resources. Collaboration is key. And trust me, no question is ever too small or silly to ask. Tip number 4, take breaks wisely. Studying for hours without a break is like driving a car without refueling. It won't end well. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method. 25 minutes of focused study, followed by a 5-minute break. Step outside, stretch, or grab a healthy snack. Tip number 5, fuel your body and mind. What you eat impacts how you think. Avoid junk food and focus on brain-boosting meals like fruits, nuts, and whole grains. And don't forget to drink plenty of water. It's a game changer. Tip number 6, reflect and reward yourself. At the end of the day, spend a few minutes journaling. Write down what went well and what can be improved. Celebrate your wins no matter how small. This builds confidence and keeps you motivated. Remember, student life isn't just about grades. It's about growing, learning, and becoming the best version of yourself. Apply these tips and watch your journey transform. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Fuel for Greatness, and share this with your friends. Let's grow together.